This is about as cool a thing as I've ever seen. I love this chiller. Hello everybody and welcome to BOSH.tv. Today we are in Wrexham and we are doing something extremely exciting. In fact, let me be honest with you, I think it might be the single most exciting thing that we have done since releasing our first ever cookbook 4 years ago. This factory is a special factory because they are producing BOSH meals.
For the first time in the history of BOSH, you're going to be able to eat BOSH meals and you won't even have to do the cooking, because at this factory, Oscar Mayer, they are creating BOSH meals that you could buy in the supermarket.
Ready meals get quite a bad rep, but these don't have a bad rep at all, and the reason why is because it's purely proper, real food. It's healthy, it's 2 or 3 of your 5 a day. It's going to be amazing. I cannot wait to share them with you. Let's go and see them on the production line.
Good to see you.
Yeah.
Got that food ready?
Yes, chef.
Right, okay, so here we are in the Oscar Mayer office, and this is a really interesting little spot because this is where they merchandise product to see how it's going to look like on a shelf. Let me draw your attention to this. Look at this. This is how we intend to market our products in the supermarkets that they are going to be in. Look at it. It's full of ridiculously tasty vegan food. And now we're obviously excited about it all, but the things we are really excited about are the ready meals. This is about as cool a thing as I've ever seen. I love this chiller, and because everything in it is completely vegan friendly, it's all BOSH food, and you are gonna love it.
You've got BOSH, 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 BOSH. It's just BOSH everywhere. We have the smoking spag bol. What a delicious dish. This is exactly the same as the one from our Speedy BOSH cookbook. The mac and greens, return of the mac. Love that. The jalfrezi and rice, an incredibly spicy curry, just the same as in our Bish Bash BOSH cookbook. The ultimate chili, one of the nation's favourite BOSH dishes, an incredible chili with mushrooms and rich umami flavours. The smashing shepherd's pie, this bad boy is absolutely gorgeous. It's rich, it's smoky, it's luscious. You're gonna love this. And finally, of course, we made a lasagna. So you can have a BOSH lasagna on your table with no effort whatsoever. Right, time for some B-roll. There we go, we just signed up the packaging so they can frame it, which is cool.
And I've got a big bag full of ready meals to take home to my folks, and these are available in Morrison's right now, and they're going to be available in loads more places really soon, so keep your eyes out. Guys, it's been a pleasure. We'll see you again next time.